All right, traders. Today we are gonna be creating a trading plan so we can earn big profit on the forex trading. So this is the way that I'm gonna do this, guys. So I'm gonna show you three amazing pairs, and then you are gonna judge it at the end. Okay. So we're gonna start with the very first pair. The very first pair is gonna be GBP JPY. Pay close attention. Let me explain you how we're gonna use the system and so forth, so you can fully understand what we're looking for here. All right. All right, fair enough. All right, so this is the way how we do it. So what we do here is we always pay attention what 4 hours is doing with the daily time frame. Okay, that's very important. But look, that's the dashboard, right? By looking at the dashboard, we already know what's going on here. So look, we haven't done any analysis yet on GBP JPY. And it's already telling you here, just by looking at the dashboard, the GBP JPY it's selling. Okay, that's what it's doing in real time. But I'm gonna explain you step by step so you can fully understand what the market is doing. The next thing that we're gonna be doing, guys, is we're gonna be looking for the multiple time frames. Same thing what is in here, TWE sniper, and the TWE sniper entry is always gonna have this TWE sell and TWE buy. So when the TWE sniper entry shows up, it will create stairs indicating the market in the previous will sell. When it's green, it would turn the market on the other side of the aisle, so it's gonna be buy and sell. Okay, so let me delete everything. So we're gonna go back. Let me make a circle or a box right on the 4 hours and daily time frame, telling us that we are in a sell position. That's all we know, right? That's all you see here right now. So now let's go to the real data so you can see it. All right, here it is. This is GBP JPY. If someone is telling you that GBP JPY is in a buy, good luck to you, because this is what the market is really doing here. Look at the multiple time frame with the TW sniper entry. Boom! Everything is in the same damn location. So market here is clearly only going in one direction. Look at when the market was in a buy. Market was giving us a green stare. Now look at what the market is giving us. It's giving us a red stare, indicating the GBP JPY it is only selling. Now here is where I come from, guys. So this is my understanding here. So most likely market will continue selling down. Let's put it back in the 61 Fibonacci level one more time, and then let's fix this right away so you can see it. So we're gonna put it right on the 38.2 Fibonacci level. That's what we're gonna do, the retracement, and then we're gonna move it, and then we're gonna continue selling down all the way. Okay, so let me fix it with you so you can see. All right, so this is what I think the market will continue. All we know, market is selling. That is true. Market will continue selling all the way to your 61.58 Fibonacci level. I'm sorry. And then from there, market is gonna give us a reversal, right? The reversal is gonna be very weak, kind of like you see here. It came down and then continue up. It came down and it continue up. Same thing is gonna happen on the reverse side down. Market is gonna continue selling down, and it's gonna make a reverse up, and then boom, market will drop. It will continue. It's that simple, guys. That's all I'm seeing on GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is still selling. So remember, guys, I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose, but this is very, very accurate. Okay. All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is gonna be gold. Is one of the most tradable pair in the world. All right, let me not show you the real data yet. Look at the dashboard, guys. By looking at the dashboard, 4 hours is saying one thing and the daily time frame is saying another thing. So what's going on when you guys see the colors mix? That means the lower time frame, which is the 4 hours, it is in a pullback. So it's a short pullback selling down, but the daily time frame is the boss. It's the one that is going up. Okay, so remember, we're looking for the stairs. That's the TW sniper entry, going up, coming down, marking coming down, some forth. All right, so now that we know what's going on here, we are gonna be moving to the real data, right? Real data, real talk, because that's what the market is doing. I'm not manipulating the market. Neither you can manipulate the market. Is the market. Here it is. Remember what I told you. Who is the boss here? Look at the daily time frame. It's in a buy. The 4 hours is selling. So here's the multiple time frame here. Here's the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs, guys. Where's the stair heading? Where's the steady hitting? Do you see any red stairs coming down here? No, 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 no. You are not seeing that stuff in there. So market real trend on gold, it is only going bullish. Remember what I told you early? Market is doing a retracement. So market is coming doing a retracement. How far is this retracement gonna go? Look at here. It's a previous multiple time frame again here. So market can still have some pushback down, boom, all the way to your 50 Fibonacci level. And then from there, market, remember, who's the boss here? Buyers are in charge. The market will continue up. Then we're gonna see what's gonna form here, but we don't have that data yet, and may continue selling that. But we don't have that data yet, so I can tell you right now the market is doing a pullback as a sell position. Then we'll continue up. Okay, that's simple, guys. Do not complicate it. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and give you another pair, guys. You know what? I'm gonna give you a USD 30 so you can see. That's one of the big pairs that I love to trade. And that pair, it is here. Boom. Let me not show you the real data, because I think, guys, the market is gonna make you money this week. It's going to make you money. Look at the dashboard, guys. What is the dashboard? What's the story behind the dashboard here? Look, 4 hours is saying, hey Irvin, we're doing a pullback as a sell position. What's the daily time frame doing? The daily time frame is going on the uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. Now let's go ahead and revise the pair in real time, so you can say, Irvin, you're right. Irvin, you're wrong. Somebody else told me the market is gonna be in a buy. Somebody else told me the market was in a sell. Well, here it is. What is the original trend doing here? Look at here. It's the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Market is only going in one direction, and boom, it's going up, guys. It's only going up. That's it. It's not going anywhere else. Okay. So hopefully you don't say, Irvin, no, you're wrong. Market is no. It's only going up. Now let me delete all this drawing. So this is me now. I see here that on Friday the market gave us a what? A pullback. That's what the dashboard is saying. That's exactly what the market is doing here. So market is giving us a sell, that which is accurate. Now here's my analysis. How far is this USD 30 is gonna go? Remember, this is USD 30. So market is gonna continue selling down all the way to between your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level. Why? Because it's multiple time frame in the past. So that key level here is very accurate. And from there, market, do not forget, the buyers are in charge. The market will continue all the way up to your 23. By then the week is over and everybody else make money in the market. All right. Hey guys, you want me to do another pair, or you want to let me know in the comment below? Let me know in the comment below if I miss one of your favorite pairs, so I can add it. I can always make a small video, guys, and make a video for you so you can see it and see the real data, because it's very accurate and so forth. Okay, but guys, thank you for coming in, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side of the aisle. Peace out. Hasta la vista. Boom.